You know, I might be biased, and I'll honestly say at this point, I probably am biased because of all the evidence that we've sifted through and everything like that. But, you know, I guess from your standpoint, looking at this kind of from the outside in a way, or at least from a objective legal standpoint, wouldn't it stand to reason that if you were truly a victim of something like this, as Amber Heard alleges, if you were truly a victim of this, wouldn't you want the most clear, uncorrupted pictures to be out there so that your story, you know, as she calls it, her truth, not the truth, her truth is shared? Wouldn't you want that? Like, as objectively, you would just say, here it all is. Here's everything I've got. Just take it. You know, it's all there.
Yeah.
But
no, sorry. Go ahead.
No, I was just going to say, but she hasn't. She's blocked everything along the way.
That's true. And this is something that, you know, as someone who has litigated, not necessarily defamation cases, but other civil litigation cases, when I get a discovery request and in responding to that request, I give them information that is winning information for my case, I am more than happy to give it to the other side. I want to package it in a box, put a bow on it, a nice little you know, like a little thank you card on top, like here you go.
Some chocolate.
This is exactly. Like, this is why we're going to win. Have at it. You know, like maybe we should go to mediation. Do you think? But I just that's been my experience personally. So I this whole like hiding the ball and hiding the ball this much is just it's very suspicious. Now the jury is most likely not going to see, you know, any kind of comments on this back and forth. You know, like most of this stays behind the scenes for the jury, unless that motion for sanctions, unless the court does agree to allow the Johnny Depp's team to comment on the photos. If you know, if the judge says, okay, photos can be admitted, but you can say whatever you want about this and say that nothing is authentic and nothing is, you know, like that they had an opportunity to provide you, you know, the ability to authenticate. But so
in a legal sense, because that's a really good point. I don't think I'd thought of. So from a legal standpoint, what the jury can actually see, or what gets introduced to the jury during the trial, if, let's just say, for example, Johnny Depp's team are really confident they can impeach or they can destroy the credibility of the photos. Let's just say they can do that. But do they need to be the ones to put that on their exhibit list for it to be entered? Like, say Amber Heard goes, I don't really want these photos there because they're not all that good, and you know, I messed with the metadata. Would he have to put them on his list?
No, because she's already offered them on her list, so they're already there. And so I don't think so. I think the exhibit lists are the exhibit lists currently.